Happy birthday, Mami Lila!
Happy birthday, Mami Lila. Bitaw may. Happy birthday, may. Happy 70th birthday. We're so sorry nga wala mi kanha karon. Because you know, the kids and Mighty Ale is not walking pa. But thankfully, makatukod-tukod na jud ko kay wala na ang pins. But hapdos gihapon na dili pa siya mapilo. But hopefully I wish nga kanang happy ka kaayo karon sa imong 70th birthday sa imong manyanita. We thank the Lord for giving you this life, this 70 years nga naa ka diri together with us. Thank the Lord for extending your life, your beauty, your patience, your strength as a mother, as a leader, as a wife. Ni bisag video kay kailakon ko makapugot. May mayroon nga ako diha kay hindi ko kahuman istorya. But may you know how much we love you. Thank you so much. I know how much you love us. Sukad na tao jud me. Hantod dagko na me. You're still there. You never miss to ask how are we. You never miss to be there. Ups and downs. Bisag nga minyo namin nakadala kay mga apo sa wala gyapon ka nasipyat to be there with us. You have been our mommy sa tanan. Tanan pagumangkon tanan chori tanan apo naagi hapon ka present always, and we thank you me for the life nga gihatag sa Ginoo nimo. And bisan isa ra imong anak nga kada isa ra jud sa bless, but kami tanan we treat you as our mommy, as our own mom jud. Ikaw nagbantay namo, patog sa inyong balay, magluto, magsugas. I've learned a lot from you, May, and I thank the Lord for that. Kay dili ko makamao to mga butanga ug wala ko nimo gitudloan. And thank you so much, May, nga again but ka nga life. And we love you so much. And we miss you and see you soon. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Hello, May. Happy birthday sa'yo. Hi, May. Happy 70th birthday. Reaching 70 is not a joke, but it's a blessing. Wish you all the best in life, May. More birthdays to come. Also good health always. Ingat palagi. Tsaka salamat din kay ikaw ang aming nagiging mami sa lahat. Tsaka itinuring mo kaming anak, hindi lang bilang isang pamangkin. Salamat, May, and see you soon. God bless. Shout out from Zambales.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I miss you and I wish you good health and more birthdays to celebrate. So here we are joining and celebrating with you from far away from Manila. So listen to our Mananita as we sing birthday songs for you. We love you. We are here to greet you on your natal day. We are here to sing you a birthday round the way. It's a happy birthday. We are happy too. So sing with all our hearts because we love you so. It's your birthday round the lake, olay, olay, happy holiday. It's a happy birthday round the lake, olay, olay. It to you, and the sweet little baby yours. Once again has come your birthday. Once again God's time is here. Oh, what a loving gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Happy time, your birthday. Happy time is here. What a loving gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. One more year. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sweeter as the years go by. Sweeter as the years go by. Richer, fuller, deeper. Jesus' love is sweeter. In behalf of Team Rubrico, happy birthday, Mommy. Sweeter as the years go by. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mommy Lola. Happy birthday, and I wish you good health and a long life. I hope God can keep you safe. Bye. Happy birthday, Mommy Lola. I wish you good health and many more birthdays.
Happy birthday, Mommy Lola. I love you.
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday kanimo. And many more birthdays to come and graces in life. Stay healthy and we love you, Mommy. Woo!
Happy 70th birthday, Mommy Lily.
Wishing you a happy birthday and many more birthdays to come. From Busano Tres of Kandihay, Bohol, Philippines. Happy birthday, Manang. 70 na niya edad? Tiyaw.
Hi, Len. Happy birthday. Wish na ako nga unta tagaan jud ka sa Ginoo og taas pa nga kinabuhi, daghang adlaw pa para sa imong kinabuhi. More blessings. Kanang abundant gyud nga blessings. Tapos very good health. I hope nga magpang-abot paghihapon ta sa edad nato karon. Hopefully kita-kita ta magkaginaksanay pa. Pareha sa atong panag-uban before, atong mga bata pa ta. Unta tagaan gyud ta sa Ginoo og igong kabaskog sa ato ang panglawas. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Thank God for 70 years of life, laughter, and love. And many more to come.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy 70. I'll see you soon.
Hello Nang, happy 70th birthday.
Maayong buntag sa tanan. Manang, Lini, nagpasalamat ko sa Ginoo nga ikaw nakaabot nining incredible milestone sa imong kinabuhi. O salamat also sa imong mga advices. Thank you for being a manang for me. O di gina mo kalimtan na imong mga joke nga ikaw rin ginakabalo kong asagi ka ng mga pong. Lingaw gamian ang imong mga words nga ikaw rin ginakabalo na nakasariling diksyonaryo ana. O ang among mga prayer sa imuha nga unta ang Ginoo magahatag panimog hataas pang kinabuhi o kabaskog sa lawas.
Happy 70th birthday, Nang. Cheers!